Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your Kontakt version and which libraries are registered. This matters because update paths differ by version. Once done, back up the current library path file and any custom scripts so you can restore if needed. Next, mount or attach the destination drive and ensure it has enough free space and a fast connection. Slower USB drives will cause load times to spike, so choose SSD or internal storage where possible. You copy the actual library folders to the new location, preserving the exact folder hierarchy because Kontakt links by folder. Then, open Native Access or Kontakt's Library Manager and use the relocate or add library function. This re-registers the content without corrupting mappings. If Kontakt still looks for samples in the old path, use the file browser to point the instrument to the new samples folder. This resolves missing sample references and maintains presets and MIDI mappings. You finish by loading multiple instruments across the moved library to verify samples, articulations, and effects load correctly. Listen for sample dropouts and check memory usage. If Kontakt still flags missing files, rebuild its database or force a rescan in Native Access and update any registry, Windows, or PLIST Mac OS entries if you changed system paths. One key tip: if things go wrong, restore the backed up path file and move files back before troubleshooting deeper to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.